Building an abundance mindset is a game changer in life. It's not just about feeling positive, it's about creating opportunities, shifting perspectives, and inviting growth and prosperity into your life. If you've ever felt stuck in scarcity, whether it's with money, time, or even relationships, shifting to an abundance mindset can completely transform how you approach life. Let me break it down for you. First, understand that abundance starts in your mind, not your bank account. Many people think abundance is about having more money, more resources, or more possessions. But in reality, it's a mindset that allows you to see the possibilities around you, even when resources feel limited. Think of it like this. Two people can look at the same situation, and one sees opportunity while the other sees obstacles. The difference lies in their mindset, not the situation. One way to start building this mindset is to practice gratitude daily. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. It's so easy to get caught up in comparing yourself to others or fixating on what's missing in your life. But when you take time to acknowledge even the smallest blessings, a supportive friend, a meal on your table, or the roof over your head, you start rewiring your brain to see life through a lens of abundance. Try this. At the end of each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Over time, this simple habit will reshape your thinking. Another important aspect of an abundance mindset is breaking free from the fear of scarcity. Scarcity tells you that there's never enough money, time, opportunities, or love. This belief makes you cling to what you have, even if it's not serving you because you're afraid of losing it. But abundance teaches you that there's always more where that came from. If you lose money, you can earn more. If one door closes, another will open. Trusting in the flow of life allows you to take risks, let go of what no longer serves you, and embrace new opportunities. Shift your self-talk. The way you speak to yourself shapes your reality. If you constantly tell yourself, "I can't afford that," or "I'll never be successful," you're programming your brain to accept limitations. Instead, reframe your thoughts to open up possibilities. For instance, replace "I can't afford it" with "How can I afford it?" This subtle shift encourages creative thinking and problem solving. It's not about ignoring reality, it's about challenging yourself to think differently and find solutions. Surround yourself with abundance-minded people. Your environment plays a huge role in shaping your mindset. If you're constantly around people who complain, focus on lack, or discourage your dreams, it's going to be hard to cultivate an abundance mindset. Seek out people who inspire you, who think big, and who encourage you to grow. Their energy and perspective will rub off on you and help reinforce your new way of thinking. Invest in yourself. An abundance mindset recognizes that you are your greatest asset. Whether it's learning a new skill, taking care of your health, or expanding your knowledge, investing in yourself pays dividends. Scarcity tells you that spending money on personal growth is wasteful. Abundance tells you it's the best investment you can make. So sign up for that course, hire that coach, or take that time to exercise. It's all part of building a better, more abundant you. Let go of the zero-sum mentality. Many people operate as if life is a pie, and if someone else gets a bigger slice, there's less for them. This creates jealousy, competition, and resentment. But an abundance mindset recognizes that life is not a finite pie. There's enough success, love, and opportunity for everyone. Celebrate other people's wins, knowing that their success doesn't take away from yours. This attitude will attract more positivity and opportunities into your life. Start giving, even when it feels counterintuitive. When you're stuck in a scarcity mindset, giving can feel risky. You might think, "What if I don't have enough for myself?" But giving, whether it's your time, money, or resources, signals to your brain that you have plenty. It creates a cycle of generosity and abundance where what you give often comes back to you tenfold. Start small if you're hesitant. Buy a coffee for a friend, donate a small amount to charity, or volunteer an hour of your time. Visualize abundance. Take time every day to imagine the life you want to create. What does abundance look like for you? Is it financial freedom? A fulfilling career? Meaningful relationships? Visualization helps your brain focus on what you want, and when you focus on something consistently, you're more likely to take actions that lead you there. It's not magic, it's about aligning your thoughts with your goals. Focus on possibilities, not problems. Scarcity thinking often fixates on obstacles, making you feel stuck. An abundance mindset looks for options, alternatives, and creative solutions. For example, if you face a financial shortfall, ask yourself, what skills do I have that I could monetize? What side hustle could I start? Shifting your focus from what's wrong to what's possible is a powerful tool for creating abundance. Create rituals that support abundance thinking. Simple daily habits can reinforce your mindset. For instance, start each morning by saying affirmations like opportunities are everywhere or I am capable of creating wealth and happiness. Write them down or repeat them aloud. These rituals might feel small, but over time they help reprogram your subconscious mind to align with abundance. Practice mindful spending. An abundance mindset doesn't mean being reckless with money. It means being intentional. When you spend, ask yourself, is this purchase adding value to my life? Focus on spending on things that truly matter to you. Experiences, education, or investments that bring long-term joy or growth. By aligning your spending with your values, you'll feel richer, regardless of how much you have. Detach from material possessions. Scarcity thinking often ties your worth to your belongings, leading to the constant pursuit of more. An abundance mindset recognizes that fulfillment doesn't come from stuff, it comes from experiences, connections, and personal growth. Declutter your life by letting go of items you no longer need or use. This not only creates space for new opportunities, but also reminds you that abundance is about quality, not quantity. Expand your circle of influence. If you only interact with people who share the same scarcity beliefs, it can be hard to break free. Surround yourself with people who think big, take risks, and believe in possibilities. Join networking groups, attend seminars, or connect with mentors who can inspire you. Being around abundance-minded individuals will naturally elevate your thinking. Invest in your community. Abundance grows when it's shared. Look for ways to contribute to the well-being of those around you. Volunteer your time, mentor someone, or support local businesses. When you give to others, you create a ripple effect of positivity that often comes back to you in unexpected ways. Turn setbacks into stepping stones. Life doesn't always go as planned, but an abundance mindset sees failure as feedback. Instead of dwelling on what went wrong, ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can I use this to improve? This resilience builds confidence and ensures that challenges don't derail your growth. Cultivate patience and long-term thinking. Scarcity thinking often demands instant result, whether it's quick money, immediate success, or instant gratification. Abundance recognizes that good things take time. Whether it's investing in the stock market, building a business, or nurturing relationships, patience allows you to plant seeds today and reap the rewards later. Focus on creating value, not just accumulating wealth. An abundance mindset is about contribution. Ask yourself, how can I solve problems? How can I help others? The more value you create, the more opportunities for abundance will flow your way. This approach not only benefits you financially, but also gives you a deeper sense of purpose. Keep learning and evolving. Abundance thrives on growth. Read books, take courses, listen to podcasts, and seek out knowledge in every area of life. The more you learn, the more you expand your opportunities and options. Remember, your mind is your most powerful asset. Invest in it continuously. Embrace gratitude even for challenges. It's easy to be grateful for the good things, but true abundance comes from appreciating the lessons in difficult times. Challenges teach resilience, creativity, and problem-solving skills, all of which are essential for a rich, fulfilling life. When you face adversity, ask yourself, what is this teaching me? How can I grow from this? Finally, visualize your future self living in abundance. Picture the life you want in vivid detail, where you live, what you do, who you're with, and how you feel. Visualization primes your mind to notice opportunities aligned with that vision. It's not just wishful thinking, it's a way to stay focused on your goals and attract the resources you need to achieve them. An abundance mindset isn't built overnight, it's a practice. The more you train your mind to focus on possibilities, gratitude, and growth, the more you'll see abundance manifest in every area of your life. So start today, take small steps, and trust the process.